If you've got a question for police and need some advice, our website can help you find the answers. There's tips on protecting your home, bikes and smartphone, how to join a neighbourhood watch or applying for jobs with us.
You can report any non-urgent crimes that doesn't require an immediate response online. Our crime reporting form is simple and easy to use and available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, just like our 101 telephone number.
If you've reported a crime, we can keep you updated online. Track My Crime is a service which allows victims to get information on the progress of an investigation using either a mobile, tablet or desktop computer. Using Track My Crime makes it easy to contact the officer who's leading the investigation if you have any questions or information for us.
Find out online what's happening in your area. Just enter your postcode on our website for the latest news and events and priorities we're working on.
Our website has live information about road incidents across Avon and Somerset. The map updates regularly to keep you moving.
You can keep up to date with what we're doing on social media, and it's the place to tell us what you think.